Hey everybody, this is Larry with your WTR quick rundown on the Maids. The Maids is a popular home cleaning service with locations in over 90 cities throughout the United States and Canada. The Maids provide cleaning services that are not always offered by the competitors. For example, you can receive online quotes without having the need to have a representative come to your home. If you just need a one-time cleaning, the Maids will get your home in shape and on time for your next get-together. They also offer deep cleaning services if it's been too long since your home has had a thorough scrubbing. And if you are looking to avoid chemicals and products that may be unhealthy for you, your children, and your pets, the Maids offer green cleaning services. However, customers have reported that it's sometimes difficult to schedule a convenient time when requesting same-day service, and sometimes the online estimate does not match the in-person quote. Bottom line, the Maids is a solid choice for cleaning services with flexible scheduling, same-day cleaning, and deep cleaning services. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.